Self-practice 1.2, question 1. Let's go. Determine the domain, codomain, and range of the following functions. Okay, so the first one are all coordinates. So this coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the domain would be the x values of all these coordinates. So the first one is -2. Second one here is -1. Third one is 0. Fourth one is 2. And the fifth one is 4. Okay. For codomain, we have to look at the y coordinates of these coordinates, of these points. So the y values are all here. So the first one, the y value is 1. The second one is 3. The third one also same. So the fourth one is 4. Fifth one is 5. Okay, if they have the same value, no need to write again lah. Okay, you just write once only. Okay, since these coordinates all have objects and images, or x and y values, so all the codomain will be the range. Okay, the codomain and range will be the same. Okay, we will look at question 2 where codomain and range will be a bit different lah. Okay, but if you have values, all values that have objects and images, that means the codomain and range will be the same. Okay, let's look at 1b. Okay, 1b, our domain are all these values, okay, the x values. So you put your curly bracket, j, k, l, m. Our codomain will be all our y values. So it will be 2, 3, 6, 7, and 10. But the range will be different. Okay, range will be the codomain which has objects. So these two numbers only got objects. 2 got no object, 6 got no, 10 got no object. So the range will be 3, 7. Okay. Next, 1c. Okay, C is a continuous graph. So the x values will be, the domain will be a continuous range lah. Okay, so we can say it starts, for range no need to write this curly bracket. So you just put -3 all the way until 5. Okay, from here until here, this will be our domain. Our codomain will be the y values of the graph. So from here until here only. Okay, here got no graph. You see the purple color line don't have here, right? So down there is not the codomain or the range lah. So it's just from here to here, which is between 2 fx 6. Okay, why we write fx? Because this is the fx axis. The range will also be the same as the codomain because all values also got its image. Okay, all the objects from 3 to 5 got image. Right. These are the answers for 1c. Right. Let's look at question 2. Sketch the graphs of each of the following functions in this domain. Hence, state the corresponding range for the given domain. Okay. So they ask us to draw this graph of modulus x plus 1. Okay. The first step is we have to draw a graph of fx equals to x plus 1 without the modulus. Okay. So this one, if you recall your form 3, we got study y equals to mx plus c. So for this one, the gradient is going to be 1. And the y-intercept is also 1. Okay, so let's start sketching the graph. Okay. This is our x, this is our fx. Okay, So first let's just sketch this straight line first. Gradient is positive, so the graph should go up, and y-intercept is 1. So 1 here, graph is going up. Okay, something like this. Okay, then we sub in the values of -2 and 4 to find the respective coordinates. Okay, so you put into your equation lah. -2 we put into our x means fx will become -2 plus 1 is -1 kan. So this one is -1. Let's extend this line. Okay, alamak. Okay, extend this line. So when x value is -2, your y value here is -1. Okay, then when x is 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5. So when x is 4, the y value here is 5. Okay, so this is the fx graph. Now we have to modulus it. So when you want to modulus this, whatever that's underneath the y-axis here will flip. Okay, this one's like this. So it will flip up here. Okay, so this one, initially it was -1. When you flip it, it will become +1. Okay, so this coordinate here is -2, 1. This coordinate here is 4 and 5. Okay, how to get these coordinates? You just sub in the x value lah. You put in -2 first, and then 4 first, and then 4 later. You will get your fx. That's all. Okay, let's try question 2b. Erase all this. Delete. Alamak. This one we delete. This one we delete. And we erase. Alright. Okay, question 2b. So the same thing. Fx is modulus of 4 minus 2x. So first step, we do fx is without the modulus, then we rearrange it. So it's -2x plus 4. Why I rearranged it, why I brought the -2 in front is because we want to rewrite this as y equals to mx plus c. Easier for us lah. Y equals to mx plus c. So from here we can easily find our gradient and our y-intercept. So gradient is -2. So this graph will go down. Negative graph means it will go down. And the y-intercept is 4. So we put 4 here, we draw a graph that's going down. Okay. Now we look at the coordinates. So when x is -2, what do we get? When x is 4, what do we get? So putting this value into this equation, -2 times -2 is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is going to be 8. So this will be -2, 8. No problem. When we put in the 4 into the equation, 4 minus 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 4 minus 8 is -4. So this one will be -4. Okay, now we flip it. So this coordinate is 4, -4. When we flip it, it will become 4, 4. Okay, here. So this is now 4, 4. Okay, this is our graph lah. Then you can erase this part also, because they only ask us to start from -2. Okay, this is our x, this is our fx. Settled. Okay, next. Right, last one, 2c. Fx equals to 2x minus 5. So for this one, same thing. First step, we draw fx is 2x minus 5 first without the modulus. So y equals to mx plus c. At this point, you're already a pro. So c, this one you have to be a bit careful. C is negative 5. The whole thing is c. Okay, so let's draw our graph. X here, fx here. So c is negative 5. We put negative 5 here. Gradient is 2. So it's a positive gradient going up. Okay. Then our x value is negative 2 and 4. So we sub in the value. Negative 2, when it goes here, becomes negative 4 minus 5, negative 9. So this point is negative 9. Okay, let's flip this. So when we flip this, this will become negative 2. 9 will be here. Okay, so let's erase the down part. Alamak. Erase too much already. Oh, this one I have to use the partial eraser. Okay, erase here. Erase here. Okay, now we draw our line. Okay. Then it intersected negative 5. So when you flip it, it will intersect 5. This will be 9. So the coordinates here will be 2, 9. We have to find this coordinate. This one, when we sub in 4 into here, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we must draw this a little bit lower, because 3 will be somewhere here. So 4, 3 somewhere here means we draw a line like this here. So this is 4, 3. Done. Okay. So you can, if you want, you can go and find the x intercept. So to find the x-intercept, you make fx 0. So we make fx 0 equals to 2x minus 5. So you make x the subject here, x will give us 5 over 2. Okay, you just do your algebra lah. 5 over 2, so you can label this 5 over 2. Done. Okay, this one want to erase also can, no need to write. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.